Hello everyone, this is Drew from Best of Us Investors working with Mark on the Platinum Trading Platform. As you may know, if you have been a subscriber on the channel for some time now, Mark, who has been successfully investing for over 40 years and warned us to get out of the market in 2021 November when the market was at its peak, is now helping our subscribers on swing trades, analyzing more than 1,000 companies each week based on 10 indicators and sharing the tickers of the stocks that are set up for good uptrends every day, along with weekly Zoom calls for Q&As with the Platinum members. So if you may be interested in the service, please make sure you check the link in the description below. So for last week, we actually had another great week regarding swing trades. And if you would have traded 100 shares of just 2 of the stocks that were listed on our watch list, you could have made over $1,500. So today I wanted to share the 2 trades that Mark shared with the Platinum members. Now here's our watch list where Mark goes through over 1,000 stocks each week and shares the stocks that meet all his 10 indicators and updated in real time. And as you can see down here, assuming that you have traded only 100 shares of the stocks that were listed on this watch list and sold when the sell alerts were out by Mark, you would have made around $12,000 in 3 months. Now we also check how much we made each month if we were to trade 100 shares, and as you can see here, in January we made around $3,300, in February we made approximately $2,200, and in March we made over $3,500 following Mark's analysis. And in April, which we are now halfway there, we made $2,270 so far and have over $1,500 in profit in the trade. So in other words, if we were to sell all the trades that we have right now and take the profits, we would have made approximately $4,000 in April, which again is only the 15th, and we have the potential of making much more money since we have 15 days left. Along with the watch list, we also have a horizon list that we share every week, which will be the 10 stocks selected out of the 1,000 stocks that have been analyzed by Mark that match the indicators except for 1 or 2 that we are waiting to see if it confirms. And the most amazing part about the horizon list is that we have the possibility to find the trade when it is actually starting to turn in a bullish momentum. So again, if you are interested in these trades, please make sure you check the link in the description below. Now the first stock that I wanted to share is Dow Incorporation, ticker symbol DOW. And as you can see in the table, Dow was first shared by Mark on the 28th of March at $52.91. It would be right here on the graph, and ever since it was listed on the watch list, Mark always follows up on the stock mostly every day, sharing his chart analysis, where the stock is regarding the support and resistance level, and share with the members on what price to keep an eye on just in case the members would want to take some profits or set stop losses to protect their trades from huge losses. Now once his indicators point out to a sell signal, he shares the sell alert as soon as possible to the members, as you can see here. Where in the case of Dow, the sell alert for half the position was sent out on April 4th at $56, gaining 5.84% or making $154.50 with trading only 50 shares. And then on April 12th, there was another sell alert at $57.70, which was right before the stock came down and gave us approximately $240 gain with the remaining 50 shares. So if you were in this trade with only 100 shares, you would have made around $400 following Mark's guidances. Now our second trade for the week was Berkshire Hathaway B, ticker symbol BRK.B. Berkshire Hathaway B was first shared on the horizon list on March 27th when the stock price was at $298.92. Now, as you can see in the graph, the stock did a pretty great job after it was listed, and as usual, Mark has been following up on the stock every day, and the first sell alert was sent out to sell half the position at $312.34, where the price hit the top of the Bollinger Band, which is the indicator that Mark takes care of and just shares the results. And if you started the position when the stock was first shared, you would have made over $670 trading just 50 shares of the stock. Now then, on the 14th, there was another sell alert selling another half of what was in the trade at $320.70, where again you would have made another $544.50, this time with only 25 shares. So with this trade, we could have made over $1,200 by just trading 75 shares and still have 25 shares in the trade since the momentum of the stock is still in its uptrend. But of course, if there are any additional sell signals that are triggered, Mark will make sure that the Platinum members are noticed right away. Again, I want to make it clear that this is not financial advice, but we are doing all the work for the members and sharing all the resources in order to help our members make better decisions and make money on their trades, as well as protecting them from huge losses. So again, if you are interested in these swing trade updates, daily ticker suggestions, educational content, and live Q&A with Mark on a weekly basis, make sure you join our Platinum member in the description below so that we can make it through this tough market together. I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the weekly Zoom call so we could share great insights together. Thank you very much, and see you all on our next update video.